So there's my 125 with the 101B racing kart engine. Takes a little bit of modifications to get these 101Bs into these 125 frames. There is no rear mount, so you'll have to make your own rear mount. The front mount, everything's still the same. How that hooks up. Took me about a year to scrounge all these parts together just to make this saw. I've got several 125s, but this is the only 101B conversion that I have. I lucked out on a lot of the parts. I got the block and the cylinder head, this brand new directional muffler still in the bag, never been opened, the piston and rings. Got all that from my buddy Rich Dugan from Myrtle Creek Saw Shop in Myrtle Creek, Oregon. And the bar and chain combo I got from him also. That's a 24-inch roller nose bar with a 3/8 chain. I changed the sprocket to a 3/8. The chrome side cover and the chrome rear cowling, I got all that off of eBay. It just took a while to catch them. That's a brand new sticker, the 101B sticker. So the air cleaner I just modified to get more air in it, so it's kind of like a CP125. The carburetor is not the stock 125 with the fixed low jet. It's actually a Tillotson with the adjustable. So I think it's a HS70A is what the carburetor is. So right now I have it run a little fat just to break in that piston and cylinder. Had to bore it 20 over, and it's a brand new piston and rings, so I'm going to seat those in real nice and leave it kind of fat for the minute. We'll lean it out a little bit to get a little better cut. So I also got the brand new air filter from Rich, and that's not the actual price of it. That might have been the price in the 70s, but you're going to pay a little more these days for them. So that's not actually glossy black, that's a metal flake. Shines a little bit in the sun when you have it outside. There's that brand new muffler. So that's an organ bar, 3/8 chain. One of the modifications I had to do was the stuffer plate that's behind your oil tank. I had to grind that out to clearance for the crank. The crank was hitting it, and the stuffer plate that I used was off of a 105 Super Pro. 125 you might not have to grind on those, but I didn't have one available at the time, so I had to use what I had. But the gaskets, I doubled up on the gaskets to get enough clearance. So it's got the big fallen spike. So there you go. So thanks, Rich. Really appreciate it. Couldn't have built it without you.